Once upon a time, in diverse corners of the world, stories were told of mighty deluges and formidable floods that reshaped the earth and tested humanity's endurance. Though separated by vast distances and cultural differences, these legends share a common theme: the Great Flood. In the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia, the Epic of Gilgamesh presents one of the oldest known flood narratives. The story tells of Utnapishtim, a man chosen by the god Ea to build a great ark in anticipation of a deluge that would cleanse the world. Utnapishtim follows the divine command, constructing a vessel large enough to hold his family and pairs of animals. When the waters recede after the storm, his ark comes to rest on a mountaintop, and life begins anew. Traveling east, ancient Hindu scriptures recount the tale of Manu, a pious man who rescues a little fish from a river. The fish, revealed to be the god Vishnu in disguise, warns Manu of an impending flood that would engulf the world. Instructed by Vishnu, Manu builds a massive boat, tying it to the horn of this divine fish, and rides the floodwaters to safety with the seeds of life aboard. In the lush landscapes of the Americas, the Aztec legend speaks of a flood sent by the gods to cleanse humanity of its sins. The wise man, Tada, and his wife, Nina, are saved by the god Tezcatlipoca, who instructs them to hollow out a great cypress tree and use it as a boat. When the deluge subsides, they transform into dogs, a reminder of their survival and the favor of the gods. Further south, the Inca tell of a time when the earth was ravaged by great floods, a punishment from the god Viracocha, who wished to erase his flawed creations. Surviving atop a mountain, a man and a woman were tasked with repopulating the world, guided by the compassionate creator. Across the vast seas in the Pacific, Maori tribes of New Zealand recount the tale of Ratapu, who in anger raises the waters to drown the lands. Only a few, forewarned by the sage Paikea, survive by sailing to the highest mountaintops, preserving their lineage and wisdom. In the sands of Africa, the Yoruba people tell of a catastrophic flood sent by the deity Olakan as a result of a divine quarrel. Orunmila, a god of wisdom, intervenes, ensuring the survival of those who remain pure and resilient, thus maintaining the balance of their world. These tales of great floods, though separated by time and space, echo the shared human experience of daunting trials, redemption, and renewal. They remind us of the ancient human understanding of nature's dual capacity for destruction and rebirth, and the enduring spirit of survival and adaptation. Each legend captures the struggle, the hope, and the ingenuity with which civilizations past sought to explain and endure the overwhelming forces of nature.